In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to WhatsApp. We'll walk through setting up a simple connection using the WhatsApp Business Cloud integration inside n8n so your workflows can react to WhatsApp events. If you already use n8n, this will feel familiar. If you're new, don't worry, I'll keep it clear and practical. Begin by opening n8n, head to n8n.io and launch your n8n instance. Then create a new workflow so you're on a clean canvas. You'll see the prompts to add your first node. Click Add First Step to open the node selector. In the search bar, type WhatsApp Business Cloud and select it. This tells n8n you want to work with the official WhatsApp Cloud API integration. Next, choose the trigger option. A trigger listens for events and starts the workflow automatically, which is perfect for things like incoming messages, message status updates, or delivery notifications. Setting it as a trigger means you won't have to run the workflow manually. WhatsApp events will kick it off for you. You'll now see a section labeled Credential to connect with. Open the drop-down. If you've never connected WhatsApp in this workspace, you won't have a credential yet, so let's create one. Click Create New Credential. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you manage multiple WhatsApp apps or environments. You'll be asked for a client ID. This value comes from your WhatsApp Business Cloud app in the Meta Developer dashboard. Copy it exactly as shown there and paste it into n8n. Avoid stray spaces when you paste, and make sure you're using the correct app if you manage more than one. Next, enter the client secret. This is the companion value issued by the same app in the developer dashboard. Keep this secret safe. n8n stores credentials securely so you don't need to share or expose it anywhere else. Double check both fields for typos to avoid authentication errors later. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new credential is now available in the dropdown, and it will be attached to the WhatsApp Business Cloud trigger node. At this point, your n8n workflow is connected. If your Meta app and webhook settings are already configured, you can start listening for events or refine the trigger options as needed. From here, you can continue building automations, route messages, enrich data, or send replies based on conditions. Remember to test with a safe number and keep sensitive values private. That's the core setup done. Your n8n workflow is now ready to work with WhatsApp Business Cloud.